58,000 to 98,000 in just 7 hours worth of work, brought down to 2 minutes. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. Ron here once again. Just wanted to share this day with you guys, and I know you just missed it because it's going so fast, but this is a 7-hour video. I had to cut down to just a minute here to kind of just show you guys what's possible. So as you can remember, we left off at 58,000 the day prior. This is the next day. This is what we were able to do by just sticking to the plan with a rising VIX. As you can see here, we pretty much went a little aggressive here because there was just so much opportunity to take advantage of. And as you can see the account growing here throughout the day, you can see that the opportunities were just there and we just couldn't ignore it. I did go above what I normally recommend now, the number of symbols that should be traded. But as you can see here, it's usually one or two that are really doing most of the getting us most of the gains. So that's why I started to stick to that rule more and more now, because at the end of the day, if I would have just focused on those two, I would have done a lot better instead of just adding to a ton of different ones. And I could have just kept adding to the ones that were winning and focused on those. It would have been a lot better than focusing on 5 different symbols here. And that's why I recommend that we stick to 1 to 2. Definitely no more than 4 if you just can't resist. But it is definitely a lot easier to manage less than it is to manage so many like this. As you can see, I'm jumping all over the place, putting in orders, taking profits, putting in orders, taking profits. And as you can see, my list definitely grew. And I try to stay away from that as much as possible nowadays. As you can see, we peaked at over 120, but we finished the day ultimately at $98,000. Guys, if you're tired of losing money and you want to make a change for 2019, go ahead and subscribe now. These videos are free. Stay up to date with the changes and see how we progress in 2019. If you want to make a change for yourself, go ahead and join us for the free one-time coaching calls. Join the next one and go ahead and ask any questions that you may have that'll make your trading better. You can also join us live on our live trading sessions. See when the next one is available and see if you can learn and change your trading for 2019 so that it can be your most successful year. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.